For some reason, you need to move into a new home, and it can be both an exciting and stressful task, especially if you don't know where to start. However, it doesn't have to be complicated. Today, I'll share my own experience of how to move home without stress. From where to start, what's next until the end, and much more. I'm going to show you step by step. Still, time to go to work. First things first, when do you need to start packing? As soon as possible, at least 4 weeks before. And also, you need to inform your landlord if you're renting at the first moment of your decision. What do you need to pack? You will need boxes to pack your items in. You can reuse boxes as I did. But if you need to buy some, I suggest you have a look on Amazon. You can find new ones and used ones as well, but I recommend choosing the 4 or 5 stars on reviews. Don't waste time. You'll go directly by the link in the description below.
Hold on, don't go now please. You can check the items on the description below the end of this video.
The bubble wrap will allow you to protect your items and help transport things such as mirrors and fragile items. Once more, you'll find the best for your items on Amazon, but do not forget to check the reviews first. The tape will secure your boxes and ensure your items remain undamaged during transit. I strongly recommend bestseller in packaging tape. By the way, do you know what this yellow arrow in the Amazon brand means? This means Amazon sells everything from A to Z. Cool, isn't it? I wrote a list like an inventory, and I numbered the boxes for all sides to have an idea of what's inside. An inventory is important to ensure you've successfully moved everything you need to. Now you need to decide how to transport everything. At first moment, I thought of getting moving in my car, but after I decided to request a service. So if you have a car, you can do it by yourself. If you don't have furniture, it's the cheapest. Or you can rent a van, or you can request a service as well. The time comes to say goodbyes to your old house. Make sure to check everywhere is clear. Give a clean and get rid of any rubbish. After, it's time for the best part, moving into your new shiny home. So far, it's been a long journey, but it's done. Another starts with unpacking, following the list, and arranging everything in the right places. And in the end, it is always necessary to buy something else to adapt to the new environment. My landlady didn't want holes in the walls, so I had to find a solution so that the new environment would have my signature.
And where? On Amazon, of course.
In the meantime, you need to change a few places' address such as your employer bank's GP surgery, electoral roll, AMC pension provider, DVLA subscription services such as energy, internet, mobile phone, and redirect mail. In my case, after 4 days, because I didn't have large volumes, it was finally time to celebrate.
Welcome to my channel Music Maze. I'm Ellison and I'm back.